Càirich. Càirich and Leppy, make the bed. Càirich ar a bhórta, place it on the table. Càirich na brácan, repair the boots. Car. Carmuchar, rolling. Carmuchnach, giving the slip, dodging. A tort machar asam, deceiving me. Carsht. A karstig lean, tanning of the nets. A karstig bag, cleaning out a byre. Cass. Cass na spatcha, the handle of the spade. Cass and jerry, hind legs. Cass and tashich, forelegs. Cass and keen, forelegs. And Cash na Cuairt, in charge of the children. Rikash na Mara, close by the seashore. Muna Cassanakin, will be soon upon us. Et their cown is Cassan, bodily, neck and crop. Liket a chashalesh, leave him alone, let him go, set him free. En kummel chash, still observed. Hook a chassan lesh, he took to his heels, he ran away. And Cú na chash, accompanied by the dog. Cur cas vachgich trip him, frustrate. And taraver a chash, the corn as it grew, cornstalk, seed and all. A chash chil, nearly finished. A veist jet a chassan, you monster. Kengel. And Chea ha Kengel charut, your wife. Glei Kengel charish, very much attached to him. Kengel na ba, the cow's tether. A Kengel nan truach, securing the stacks. Ciaun. Ciaun yorsht, headache. Ciaun an raj, the end of the road. Ciaun turish, on business. Hook drach ciaun ra, he ill-treated me. Na yo ciaun balich, very kind to boys. Ciaun strea, by degrees. Ciaun a stachginian, in his stocking feet. A cur ciaun and stachginian, footing stockings. Ciaun howl, ultimately, at long last. And ciaun a chéla, put together, mixed together. Ciaun earth, pillow end of bed. A shesul a ciaun yirach, standing on his head. A mach a ciaun yirach, falling out headlong. Hook a ciaun foa, he disappeared. Ciaun a vuchkish, the lid of the box. A cur na ciaun, of self-resolving. A cur na ciaun, of another one suggesting to him. Art the heen, at the top of his voice. And ciaun urni, engaging in prayers. And ciaun mogarma, attending to my duties. A dullin ciaun, making headway. Gin ciaun, headwind. Ciaun destination. As the ciaun hain, of his own accord, on his own initiative. A ciaun hain, on his own account. A chin gwyn a ciaun, coming to a climax. Na cael do ciaun, don't get excited. Mis a ciaun, a whole month. Cochur na ciaun, who made you imagine? Ciaun na spatcha, delving with a spade. Cumi ciaun of acharut, retaliation or a retort equal to the provocation, a blow for a blow. Ciaun gun vui, a luckless person. a gopper a chean hain, in business for himself. Came, beckoned the came, slightly lame. A cashach came, sauntering along. Hor came as, move on, hasten your pace. A tort came alea, exaggerating, drawing the longbow. Close, Càirich de closan, listen attentively. A cumal closha, heeding. A lickig mumal closan, turning a deaf ear. Close and lean, the corner of the net. Close na trat, extreme end of sands. Hor close borga, turn a deaf ear to him. Cor, ha coracum, I have a right. Is corgal, I should. Bechorgal, I ought to. Tuyig sa cor, more than enough. A heen and cord, to come neat. Cra, a crahagushka, sprinkling water. A crag cowlich, shaking straw. Crahagwaiva, a handshake. Kriv a crahagrigi, a tree swaying in the wind. Kriya, and Galmo Kriya, I am very eager. Kriya na trat, low water or dead ebb tide. Kriya na harsh yes, exactly due south. A runya Kriya, dear me, well, well. A Kriya na hulken, in a panic, his heart in his mouth. Charo a Kriakam follow. I hadn't the heart to go, I dare not go. A Krieri bolig, his heart thumping or beating. Cruoi, screeb cruoi ergi, a stiff breeze of wind. A shesu cruoi a Cuairt, standing stock still and staring. Be a cruoi orsht, you will scarcely. Cruoi ergi, very near the wind. Cruoi lame, a bounding leap. Snaim cruoi town, a secure knot. Balach cruoi, a hardy boy. Cho cruoi riahir, as greedy as his father, skinflint like his father. Fame mi vi cruoier, I must be strict with him. Ha cruiem ek he is in sore need of it. Kuramach a cruoi, drop the stone anchor. Cuairt, mochur mangurst, I was very much upset. A cuairt a conducting worship. A curbat mangurst, turning a boat for a fresh load.